Hey guys, we're out in Norfolk tonight. It's a nice summer night. The weather today, the temperatures were about 30 degrees, so welcome to Wild Outlander. Come fishing here sometimes. It's a really good place for pike. So tonight I'm going to be near a place called Witchingham in North Norfolk. That's in England, and I'm going to be hunkering down in the woods with my small little tent, and might have a campfire later, and I'll show you around the area. So this is the place we'll be tonight, and my cosy little nook is the other side, somewhere in there, nice and discreet. And when I say deep in there, I mean right in there. Let's go. Left myself a few little markers. We made it. Okay, let's move in quickly. Got my sleeping bag. Just got myself some firewood together. Now I'm going to start on my fire. It's a beautiful sound on the leaves. There you go, that's a better view. Yep, definitely looks like we're going to have a night of showers. Okay, cool. Got me a nice little fire going now. It's about 10:30 PM. All is well. Lovely. Cozy as in here. That's everything I need. Spent most of the night just looking at the fire. I ate a huge bar of chocolate. Yeah, look at the fire. Hello, it's the morning. It's about 8 AM now, and just packing down. Gonna start heading back to the car, make my way home. It's been a good night. Then off we go, back out the way we came. Let's go. and we're off. What a morning. Looks like it's going to be another scorcher today. Next time we come here, I should take you fishing with me. So there we have it, just a cheeky little overnighter. I'm heading back to the car now. It's my birthday today, so gonna get back, spend it with the family, have a good day, and thanks for watching. Take it easy.